When we think about home automation, we think about a smart home, and really what that is being able to control multiple environments through a device. But that's not really automation. That's not really a smart home. That's just a controlled home. And so what we do with a lot of the same components that our competitors use is we create those experiences with the clients. Single touch of a button will control multiple environments. And so we can have lighting control and music and air conditioning and shades. And all of these items come together to really create an experience. So it all comes back to the design. So in the design phase, we'll design the back-end equipment that needs to power the rest of the front-end equipment that the client is actually manipulating. And so we design them in-house, we build them at the office, we test them, we run them through our paces, and then we take them out and install them. In this application in particular, we have very expensive, very high-end equipment in certain areas, but not necessarily in others that are a little bit less important. So that was important to the client, was having really nice aesthetics in the common areas and the master. And so we worked with them to help them understand the technology that was available today and then create a system that made sense for their lifestyle. In this particular case, when we were working with the clients, they had smart home similar technologies, but it was never really explained to them like, hey, this can actually live with you. We can help this meet your lifestyle. One of the really nice things about invisible speakers is you can't see it, of course, but one of the reasons it's hard to find out where it's coming from is it has a very wide dispersion. In larger rooms, you're usually moving around. There's not a single set listening position. And so not only do you get the aesthetics, you get a more immersive feel when we turn on the invisible speakers in a space. It's really important, placement of the speakers compared to listening locations and the speaker that you select to use. Same thing with lighting, right? If there's not even light, or if you're trying to see something specifically, you can't see it, right? There's mood lighting, there's task lighting, and how does that evolve? We're not just selling products, we're not just giving you control over your home, we're creating an experience for you to live with. And so when we started ioty, that was our goal. Provide better customer service, provide better client relations, and create experiences that start with the design, understanding the client.